have Nilima Nalam. Nilima is a seasoned information technology and general management professional with 20 plus years of experience in delivering technology-led business solution in global delivery model. She is a mother of two wonderful daughters. She is an evangelist on disruptive innovation, business model, and actively mentors startups. I welcome you, Nilima.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. This is Nilima. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak in this forum. So, I learned to meditate with Chandra, and he'd been a regular meditator for the past 6 months. So, apart from the meditation, I've been reading a lot of books that open me up to this world and possibilities. I started developing an understanding that brain works very differently from the whole lot of science education that we have received as children. So while I was one of those analytical, logical kind of a person, in the last 6 months, I kind of transformed into someone who was more open, who was more suggestible, and more, open for all kind of experiences. So while I've experienced many benefits from meditation, I would like to share two big takeaways. Okay, the first one would be thinking out of the box. My father passed away in November 2019. This was about 7 months back. And around the same time, my mother was also diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and her condition started deteriorating very fast. I was in profound grief at this personal loss and was finding it very difficult to cope up. And after starting meditation, what I realized was our thoughts, actions, feelings, and our experiences create the reality for us. Okay. And during meditation, we observe our own thoughts as a third person, different from our body and different from our mind. And it helped me embrace this new reality. It helped me accept and pass through this very difficult phase of life and emerge much more stronger. I can confidently say that, I'm at peace with myself now. And meditation is that tool set that helped me achieve this balance. Apart from that, coming to this thinking out of the box, last few months, all of us as business leaders, we had to handle the unprecedented series of events at work due to COVID crisis. In spite of all the uncertainty and chaos, this understanding and thinking out of the box helped me manage this challenge and tide over this change much more efficiently. I feel over a period of time, meditation can also change the wiring of this box, which is our mind, and our limiting beliefs and possibilities. And the second biggest takeaway is being mindful. We must have always come across many studies that said that women are made for multitasking. Okay, I believed in it and I lived by it. Juggling a job and running a household, I packed lunch boxes while planning rest of my day, checked homeworks, assignments, browsed news sites while taking calls, cooked while talking to friends and family, and whatnot. I used to multitask. With meditation comes mindfulness. I consciously slowed down and started being mindful. It was one task at a time, one project at a time. So this focused helped me realize that, multitasking negatively affects performance. We're less efficient, less effective, and we're more likely to make mistakes when we multitask. It increases our stress levels and makes us feel restless. You can practice being mindful while cooking, driving, walking, and, as, Dr. Ramani said in our earlier session, doctors do it while doing surgeries. Okay. And then we are a lot more productive, okay, when we practice mindfulness. I see my kids telling me that my meals are a lot more tastier these days because, I started focusing on my cooking. So these are my two biggest takeaways. One is thinking out of the box. The second one is being mindful. I'm so grateful that I got introduced to this breath mindfulness meditation. And I'm looking forward to this exciting journey. Thank you.